Traditional food in my country. Every country has its own traditional food. These foods are special because they come from the history, culture, and people of that place. In my country, we have many kinds of traditional food. These dishes are made at home, served in restaurants, and enjoyed during festivals and holidays. Traditional food is not just something to eat. It is something that brings people together and tells a story about who we are. I live in a country with a long history. Our food comes from many years of cooking and learning. Some dishes are very old. My grandparents ate them when they were young. Now we still make and eat these foods. When we eat them, we feel close to our family, our home, and our culture. One of the most famous traditional dishes in my country is dumplings. Dumplings are small pieces of dough filled with meat, vegetables, or other things. The dough is soft and the filling is tasty. People cook them in different ways. Some dumplings are boiled, some are steamed, and some are fried. We often eat dumplings during the New Year or family gatherings. Making dumplings is also fun. Family members sit together, talk, and make them by hand. It is a happy time for everyone. Another traditional food we love is rice, with many kinds of toppings. Rice is a very important food in my country. We eat it almost every day. Some people like to eat plain rice with vegetables and meat. Others mix rice with eggs, onions, or soy sauce. It is simple but full of flavour. Sometimes we make sticky rice with sweet things like red beans or dates. Sticky rice is often eaten during festivals. It has a soft texture and a sweet taste. We also enjoy soup in many forms. A popular soup is made with chicken, ginger, and herbs. It is warm and makes you feel better when you are tired or sick. People also eat spicy soups with noodles, vegetables, and meat. These soups are hot and full of strong flavours. Many families have their own soup recipes. They learn them from their parents and pass them to their children. In different parts of the country, people have different food traditions. In the north, the food is often salty and warm. In the south, it is sweeter and lighter. In the west, people like to use more spices. These differences make our food culture rich and colourful. When you travel around the country, you can taste many kinds of local food. Each place has something special to offer. Traditional snacks are also important. We have small cakes, fried treats, and sweet drinks. During holidays, people give snacks as gifts. Children love them because they are fun to eat and look pretty. Some snacks are only made once a year, so people look forward to them. For example, during the Mid-Autumn Festival, we eat mooncakes. These cakes are round and filled with sweet paste. The round shape means family togetherness. One thing I like about traditional food is that it uses fresh and natural ingredients. Many dishes are made with vegetables, rice, meat, fish, and local herbs. People cook at home using simple tools. Some recipes do not need oil or sugar. They are healthy and good for your body. My grandmother always says, "Good food is made with love and care." I think she is right. Traditional food is not fast food. It takes time to make, but the taste is worth it. Eating traditional food also helps us remember our past. When I eat certain dishes, I think about my childhood. I remember my mother cooking in the kitchen, my father helping to set the table, and my brother waiting for dinner. These memories are warm and sweet. Traditional food connects us to our roots. Even when we grow up and move away, we can still feel close to home through food. In school, we sometimes have food days. On those days, students bring dishes from their homes. We share them and tell stories about them. It is interesting to learn what other families eat. Some students bring spicy dishes, some bring noodles, and others bring rice cakes. We all try each other's food and talk about what we like. It is a good way to learn and make friends. Traditional food also changes with time. Some young people add new things to old recipes. They mix modern ideas with classic dishes. This is okay because food is always growing. But we should still remember the original taste. It is important to respect the past and know where the food comes from. That way, we can enjoy both old and new flavours. Sometimes tourists come to our country. They want to try our traditional food. They ask many questions like, "How is this made?" or "What is inside?" We are happy to tell them. Sharing our food is like sharing our story. When they taste our dishes, they learn something about our life and culture. Many visitors say they love our food. They take pictures, write blogs, and tell their friends. This makes us proud. During big festivals like the Spring Festival or National Day, food plays a very important role. Families make big meals with many dishes. There are meats, fish, rice, soup, dumplings, and desserts. Everyone eats together and celebrates. Sometimes people eat for hours, laughing and talking. Food brings joy and makes the celebration complete. In the countryside, people grow their own food. They use fresh vegetables from the farm, eggs from chickens, and meat from animals they raise. The taste is natural and strong. In the city, people go to markets or stores to buy ingredients. But no matter where we live, we all care about traditional food. It is part of who we are. In the future, I hope traditional food will stay strong. Even though life is fast now and many people eat outside or order food, we should still make time for home-cooked meals. We should teach children how to make these dishes. We should write down the recipes and share them. That way, the food will not be forgotten. I also hope to learn more about food from other countries. I want to try new tastes, but I will always love the food from my home. When I travel, I will tell others about our dishes. I will cook for them and share our traditions. Food is a kind of language. You do not need to speak the same words to enjoy a meal together. To me, traditional food is not just about eating. It is about family, love, history, and home. It is something we should keep, respect, and pass on. No matter how the world changes, a good meal with loved ones will always be special. Traditional food is the taste of our heart.